Hello students, this is Professor Kiran Poddar, Angadi Institute of Technology and Management, Belagavi. Now we are going to discuss on a unique example where we are facing triple valued function spread between -2 to +2. You can see here this function is spread from -2 to +2. From -2 to -1, then from 0 to 1, then between -2 to -1 it is 0, and between 1 to 2 also it is 0, and between 0 to 1 not 0 to 1, between -1 to +1 it is 2. Okay, but it is a rare case where we have odd figures in the sense if a single valued function comes, no problem. Looking into the things which has to be replaced, we'll come to know. We can see the given function is between like -L to +L, because it is like -2 to +2, means x will be replaced by -x, no doubt. But since if we get double valued function, then we say after the replacement, if first function is same as second function, even first function is same as second function with minus sign, it will be odd. But how do you compare these things? How do you compare these things here? That is the main issue. So very first what I do, I'll write down the given function, the Fourier series of f of x with the period 2L. Let us see what is 2L here. 2L is what? -L to +L, this is 2L. Then 2L will be taken as final point minus previous point. So that is 4. Therefore, L is equal to 2. L is equal to 2. Fine. Therefore, the function will be f of x a0 by 2 plus summation from n is equal to 1 to infinity of an into cos n pi x by L plus summation from n is equal to 1 to infinity of bn into sin n pi x by L. Fine. Therefore, here L is equal to 2. Therefore, it becomes f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus summation from n is equal to 1 to infinity into an into cos L is equal to 2. Therefore, cos n pi x divided by 2 plus summation from n is equal to 1 to infinity of bn into sin of n pi x divided by 2. I'll be calling it as equation number 1. But before checking out its odd and even nature, what we do, we'll split up this function, triple valued function, into 4 valued functions. How? I'll be taking, here you can see this is a interval of x given. This will be taken as f of x. Okay. So between -2 to -1, as it is taken -2 to -1, this is 0. Then between 1 to 2 also it is 0. Now what to do? Between -1 to +1, what we have to do? We have to take -1 to 0 and 0 to 1. So this will be taken as -1 to 0 and this as 0 to 1. But from here to here, the function, either you take here or here, the function remains same. Clear? Now it has become 4 valued functions. Therefore, to check it out the nature, what to do? We have to consider it as, pi of x is equal to 0, or pi of x is equal to, means we'll segregate here. We segregate here, pi of x is equal to 0 or it is 2. Similarly, xi of x is equal to 2 or 0. Fine. Therefore, since x is going to be replaced by minus x, then what to do? X will be replaced by minus x. Since there is no x in this, it becomes 0 or 2. Similarly, so this is same as xi of x. Therefore, the function f of x is even. So Bn is equal to 0. Therefore, let us calculate A naught. How do you calculate A naught? 2 divided by L, integration between 0 to L, f of x dx. Therefore, this is equal to 2 divided by L. What is L here? L is equal to 2. So 2 divided by 2. But integration between 0 to L, that is nothing but 0 to L, L is equal to 2 into f of x dx. It splits into, this is cancelled, 1. Okay. So this splits into 0 to 2. Okay, 0 to 2 splits into 0 to 1 and 1 to 2. So it is 0 to 1 into f of x dx plus 1 to 2 f of x dx. Therefore, A naught is equal to integration between 0 to 1. What is integration between 0 to 1? It is between 0 to 1, it is 2. So it is 2 with respect to x. Plus integration between 1 to 2 is what? Integration between 1 to 2 is 0 already with respect to x. Okay, this is gone. Therefore, it is integration, that is x between 0 to 1. So 2 into 1 minus 0, that is equal to 2. Therefore, A naught by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, fine. Then An, 2 divided by L, between 0 to L, f of x into cos n pi x divided by L with respect to x. Similarly, it is 2 divided by 2, integration between 0 to 2, f of x into cos n pi x by 2 with respect to x. Fine. Therefore, An is equal to, it is 1. Then first is integration between 0 to 2 becomes 0 to 1, 0 to 1 where it is 2. So it is 2 times cos of n pi x by 2 with respect to x, plus second is integration between 1 to 2 is 0. Okay, so this is equal to 0. Therefore, this is equal to 2 is taken out, integration between 0 to 1, cos of n pi x by 2 with respect to x. Therefore, An is equal to 2 into integration of cos is sin n pi x by 2 divided by n pi by 2 between 0 to 1. Fine. Therefore, this 2 will come to numerator. It becomes 4 divided by n pi into upper limit. If you substitute, then it becomes upper limit in place of x. If you put 1, then it becomes sin n pi minus sin 0. Sin n pi is equal to is equal to 4 divided by n pi into sin n pi. This is An. Therefore, substitute the value of A naught, An, Bn, which is 0 in equation number 1. Then equation number 1 becomes f of x is equal to A naught by 2, that is 1 plus summation from n equal to 1 to infinity 4 divided by n pi into sin n pi into cos n pi x divided by 2. Therefore, pi of x is equal to 1 plus 4 divided by pi is taken out. Then summation from n equal to 1 to infinity of sin n pi, sorry, this is sin n pi by 2 as per this. Okay, so this is sin n pi by 2 into cos n pi x by 2. So this is the required series. Thank you.